Halito, my name is Hillary Vaughn. I am the Cultural Connection Specialist for the Department of Chataimi. With Christmas getting closer and getting ready to 'tis the season is gearing up at full speed, let's add some Choctaw culture to our Christmas decor. Today I will be showing you how to make a beaded ornament. But before we get started, let's go over a few items. So you will need size 10 seed beads. I picked red. Size 3 bugle beads. I picked green. A plastic ornament. Needles. Scissors. And size D thread. Now, first things first, you need to tie it on. And so what I like to do is I like to tie 2 knots just to make sure that my beads don't go falling through. Oh, I made 2 separate knots. Okay, so then you'll need to get 4 red seed beads. Bring it all the way down, and you will skip 1 bead, and you're going to go through the first 3 seed beads that you put on. There we go. Pull. And there you will have your first stack of seed beads. And then the next thing you're going to get is 1 bugle bead, 3 seed beads, 1 bugle bead, 3 seed bead, a bugle, 3 seed beads. And you're going to do this till you get to about 11 total green bugle beads. Alright, so now that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bugle beads, you're going to end this row with 4 red seed beads. You're going to do the same thing you did on the other end. Push it all the way down, skip 1, and go through the last 3 seed beads that you put on. Pull all the way and make sure it's at the closest to the bugle bead. And there you finished your first row. So now you're going to start on your second. You're going to start off with 1 bugle bead, 3 seed beads, a bugle bead, 1 seed bead. And then you're going to skip this first set of seed beads and move on to the second. And in that set of 3, you're going to go through the middle seed bead, just like that, and pull. And there you are going to have your first diamond. And then you're going to get 1 seed bead, 1 bugle bead, 3 seed beads, and 1 bugle, and 1 seed. And then same thing with this one. You're going to skip this one and move to the next. The middle seed bead. Pull. And you got your second diamond in. So you're going to continue this on all the way down to the very bottom. And you're going to do this till you get to your 11 stacks of red seed beads on each side. Now that we're done, let's go ahead and count on each side. Make sure we have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. All right, so we're good to go. Let's begin with a bugle bead and a seed bead. And we're going to use this so you'll be able to kind of see and follow with us. So you're going to go through the middle seed bead of the first set of 3. Ow! It happens, you poke yourself, because I just did. Okay, got that together. So then I'm going to get another seed bead, bugle bead, and another seed bead. And we're going to go into like a zigzag motion. We're going to go here, then the next one is going to be this one right here. Same thing, middle seed bead, go right through and pull. So there we have our first diamond that's connected. We're going to keep going, one seed, one bugle, one seed. Now we're going to go here, same thing, middle seed bead, and pull, seed bead, bugle bead, seed bead. Opposite side, the middle seed bead, pull, seed bead, bugle bead, seed bead, seed bead, middle, seed bead, bugle bead, seed bead, bugle bead, seed bead. And this is the last one that you're gonna go through. You're gonna pull it. Now you're gonna get to this very top, so all you're gonna need is one seed and one bugle. And you're gonna go through this stack of seed beads. Push all the way up. And so now that we got it connected, I can move this. And don't lose my thread. Okay. So then we're gonna pull it. Whoops, my needle came off. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the beaded piece on top of the ornament. Make sure it doesn't get stuck. And there we go. It's right there. So when you connect the stacks closest to the top, you're only going to be using 2 seed beads in between. So I'm going to get 1, 2. We're going to go through the next one. 1, 2. One, two. All right, we're almost ending connecting together. Okay, then you're gonna pull real tight, and what I like to do is go through the whole thing one more time just to kind of keep a good hold. And then I also like to pull this up just a little whenever I'm tightening. Okay. So then I'm gonna go through this 3 of the stacks that I'm at. And move on to the next one. And so I like to, when I'm done tightening the top, is I always just shimmy my way down through these beads just to start making my way down. Alright, now that we're here at the very bottom, instead of putting beads in between, we're just going to connect every single one of these stack of seed beads together. That way it'll be just a good tight hold at the bottom, and so that your beaded piece doesn't move around or get loose or anything like that. Pull real tight. And I like to go through it one more time just to make sure that it stays good and tight together. And once you're done, you can tie it off. Use your scissors. Now that we're done, you have a beautiful beaded ornament to accent your Christmas decor. Yakoke for watching, and have a Merry Christmas.